Node.Js.org. This has to be installed first. Go to the Node.Js.org. Right. So once you go there, we have these download options. If I am using Windows, it will show Windows. If you are using Mac, it will show you Mac. And current version, which is under process, 18.9, but recommended version is this one. It's showing. You can go for this recommended version. You can click on this. It will be one MSI file, that Microsoft installation file will be downloaded. And after downloading it, double click on that, it will start installing it. That's it. So this is the installation procedure, which I am going to share it. Run the installer, you will get MSI file once you download it, and go for this, and it will install even npm packages, node package managers. That is important. No need of clicking anything, just click on next, everything. Follow the prompts in the installer, accept the license agreement, click the next button bunch of times, and accept the default installation settings. And to test it whether it is installed or not, we have one method. It is okay. You have to go to the command prompt, and in the command prompt you have to type node space -v. And if you want to check that whether the npm is installed or not, no npm -v. Okay. So for example, I am going to the command prompt. It is in my system, it's already installed. cmd if I type it. So you can see I am at the command prompt now. I just type node space -v. Right. It is installed. And if I type npm -v, it is installed. It will take little time. Don't worry about that. Clear? So what you have to do today, your job is install the Node.js compulsory. Is it clear? Go to the Node.js and download it and install it. That is simple.